Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a TPO repair. This is a large apartment building complex. The unusual situation about this is that this building is only 5 years old and some of the TPO is coming loose from the parapet walls. So there's obviously some type of a bonding adhesive failure going on with this. So we're going to detach the existing TPO from these parapet walls in some places, and then reapplying bonding adhesive, and then putting the TPO back in place, and then we will have to patch that with a hot air welding patch and make it hold. So let's take a look at it. So we've marked off the area there. There's like 9 places on this roof where we're going to be patching. So this area here, you can see where I've marked it, the blue tape from the vertical tape there. We're going to be tearing that down and repairing that. So here the guys are snapping a chalk line. They want to make a straight cut so it looks nice. So the adhesive we're using is specifically designed for a TPO membrane. This is a solvent-based adhesive, and so they're going to apply that, and then they have to let that flash off and become tacky before they can reapply the TPO membrane. So they're going to apply the adhesive on both the wall and on the TPO membrane. So they're checking the glue for the if it's flashed off and if it's tacky enough to put up there. So one of the things I wanted to reiterate here is that no clear-cut answer as to why this bonding adhesive has failed after only 5 years. I mean, it could be the product was expired. Maybe this was when this section of the wall, the contractor who built this building just had this laying in their warehouse and it was expired. So, but I mean, there's no way of telling what happened up here, so. So once they get it up here, they have to then roll it to apply pressure to it to further enhance the bonding. So here we are putting on the, starting to put on the TPO patch over the reapplied TPO. So he's used the cleaner to clean off the TPO before we weld it onto the existing TPO. So again, that welder, it uses hot air. There's no flame involved that could catch the roof on fire. It's just hot air. So now he's taking the cleaner on the existing TPO. again, 5 years worth of dirt buildup on that. We got to have a totally clean surface for these welds to hold. So another thing that we do, which details are very important in this type of work, is when he puts the patch up there, you'll notice that he's taken the corners and he's cut them off and made them circular. The reason why he does that is it's far less likely that this patch will ever come off, because those pointed corners, if you leave them like that, for some reason they can start to peel away. But when you cut those corners off, that eliminates that problem. So here he is using the hot air welder. He's tacking it up there now. So you'll notice we don't use any bonding adhesive when you go from TPO onto TPO. It's just hot air welding. And to refresh your memory, TPO in somewhat of layman's terms is basically a plasticized roofing material. This material dominates the market, has for the last, I don't know, maybe 5-10 years. I don't know what the exact market share is, but it's over 50%. So again, as he hot air welds it, he's got to roll it to apply the pressure. So that is how a TPO repair is done. So obviously he'll take another patch and he'll go along the horizontal cut that we made, and this should be good to go for 20 years or so.